So what we want to provide in terms of our offering in digital manufacturing is a set of courses that can be added to progressively but address the skills gap which relates to how digital systems and methods are utilised in the manufacturing and automation environment.
In the course centered on the implementation of smart data-driven manufacturing capabilities, there will be two topics. One is around the implementation and definition of data model for the manufacturing, which includes clearly defined data content, data structure, aligned to the need of manufacturing to optimize their systems. The second stream of training focuses on the implementation of digital systems and their integration to support large data pipeline and workflows to ensure that the data can be collected consistently and in real time.
We want to provide insights into how you can use digital technologies to improve your business. In terms of the course delivery, we have a number of course champions in specific skill areas who work already deeply with industry. Those will be the people delivering the courses.
We understand that the training courses we developed at WMG need to be tailored to different skill level and different level within the organization. That's why we tailor our courses to suit technicians and engineers, as well as management and innovation manager and CEO.
In terms of the facilities that we have here at WMG, we have an extensive area of workshops and laboratories. Within those we work with industry partners and have a large range of demonstration and test equipment specifically related to skills training. We're very much providing that level of insight into practical production system problems and how you use digital manufacturing technologies to address those.